Mom, why do you look like Barney? Okay, now we're just lying. I do not look like Barney.
Shot, real smooth. Let's go to work.
Green. You must watch George Not Found. That is the color yellow. Mom, I smell blood. Oh, don't worry. Those are just the kids in my base. I mean, I was putting ketchup on my chicken nuggets. I just followed and my sister gave me $400. This is absolutely correct. If you follow me on Twitch or YouTube, you will get $400. Link in bio. Finally, someone using dark mode. I know! Every time I watch one of these videos, everybody's using light mode. Bandkid vibes. I don't know why. I'm not even joking. Bandcamp starts for me tomorrow. I won't breathe until I'm in a video.